Alright, so as you all know, guys cannot launch at Mapalon anymore. So I think a few of them went to Pep stores yesterday and got their big balls panties on to start launching again here at St Lucia. But to be fair, you can see the sea is pretty calm. Actually brilliant. It's amazing how things pan out, and it's first time back, and guys are a little bit nervous, and we got a beautiful launch today. So the biggest concern is the logs that are drifting around underneath the surface. Now that could create a bit of a problem for the chest, but apart from that, I reckon most of them will be no problem. First boat to launch after the opening of the mouth. Ocean commotion. We've got Fetty going, nice little monohull. Those things just slice the water, I love them. There you go, that's not a bad gap either. Nice. Now there's one building in front of him, but it shouldn't break. It should be okay. It should be able to go right over the top. Yep. Well done. There we go. Cut back. That's it. Legacy 2. There you go. Ooh, Wisey, yo 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 yo. Wow, big boat handled that one. I think even Wisey was hesitant, then he got like, you can't stop now, I must keep on going. There's a nice little lull here, a little bay, a hole that many people call it when they're fishing. And the guys can hold up a little bit and just be a bit patient. In the meantime, Fapestat is just offloaded. That's the one now. This guy sees what I see. Okay. Yeah, I think he saw what I saw. Well done, young man. You should punch that one pretty easy. Flat taps. Well done, Sky. Next one. I'll make out the names, is it? Being really patient here. Waiting for the right opportunity to push this boat. Got the NSRI here this morning too, as you can see, because of all the debris in the surf. They came down just to monitor the situation and check out what's going on here. Fantastic organization, folks. If any of you have any extra cash lying around, great organization to get involved in. Get in the washing machine there. Yo, water over the top, nice and wet. The problem is now, oh, there's another one coming. The boat's full of water, and because it's full of water now it becomes sluggish. Then right, yep, in the gap. In the meantime, wave dancers coming in. I'm not sure who's going to pop out the other side there. Which boat? Oh, it's Maverick. Wave stay now on the way. The humidity this morning is unbelievable, and sadly because of that it's the videos are quite grainy. Ooh. Through the saddle there, yeah. Aqua Joy next on the launch pad. Aqua Joy. Looking for your spot. That's not a bad one. Yep, punch this foamy and you should be okay. There's a nice saddle there. Flat out. There we go. Yes. I'm not sure who's going to pop out the other side there. Which boat? Oh, it's Maverick. One of the things the guys are going to battle with this morning is to try and find live bait, because I don't think they'll find it in this dirty water. Oh, there's experience for you. That thing's a rocket ship. Stella up next. That's the gap, boy. Very nice. Not sure if he sees what I see. There we go. Yeah, well done. Good move. Good call that was. Well done, young man. Wave Danza. I don't think Leon will be too afraid of this surf. Those of you who follow my channel will know that we film them in some horrendous stuff. I respect these guys tremendously. I tell you what, there's no ways I'll do it. Not a chance. I'm just nervous to be on the boat, let alone be the skipper. Asterix looks like the last boat. Why is he got smoked? Husband, that wasn't good timing on your part. For the boat it was perfect, but not for you. There you go, another easy gap there. Nice one, Mons. Although there's one building, I reckon he should have enough speed to get around it. Get through that little saddle. Oh no, yeah, oh, yes, no, yes, no, yes. Oh, the next one's horrible. Ah, flat down. There you go. Oh, once.